Rock and roll.
It's a roller coaster ride. So, may mga masasayang araw, meron din mga days na sinusubok din yung relationship namin, but still, pinipili pa rin namin isa't isa.
Cut mo na.
Kasi that's our team song, Sunshine. Sa Sunshine namin yung isa. And that's also our motto. I'm just grateful kasi siya lahat nag-organize nito and all. Sabi nga nung friends and my co-workers, parang pupunta na lang ako para ikasal. Kasi sa talagang, kumbaga punong abala for this wedding. So I'm very grateful na sa effort niya. Ito talaga yung wedding planner nito. 98%. 2% yung pagdadating lang ako dito.
I decided to do it by myself kasi I always see her struggling every day sa work. So I think if mahal mo talaga yung tao, you have to sacrifice a lot. And that sacrifice means love to that person.
Grateful pa din kasi kahit pa paano hindi naging bagyo talaga. Yung bagyo. Kahit pa paano meron pa rin kami chance to celebrate yung wedding namin.
I'm really expecting that it will be rainy, but thankful to the Lord na we're here. We're going to celebrate the perfect day for both of us. Malungkot ka. Ito yung best man niya. Nagkita kami sa work namin. And then, syempre bilang isang lalaki, kapag nagustuhan ka, so I have to do something para mapansin. So, ayun. Awa ng Diyos, binigay sa akin. And it turned out that she's the perfect woman for her.
Hi babe, hindi ito ang simpleng pag-ibig na madalas na naririnig natin sa kwento. Ang meron tayo ay tinatawag kong pandemic love. Sa panahong tila madilim ang mundo, ikaw ang liwanag na dumating sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang naging dahilan kung bakit muling nagliwanag ang mga araw.
You made me realize that I could be happier, more fulfilled, more at peace because of the way you love me. You've always been my number one supporter in moments when I doubted myself, when I questioned whether I was capable or worthy. You were the one who reminded me that I could do it.
You will feel something different when you found the perfect one. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making these things happen for us. I'll promise you forever.
Remember, I was on the aisle waiting for you, babe. Saw you in your gown, I was crying all my tears. I told myself that you are the one. You are the one. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me forever. I
time went by, while everything around us kept changing, your love remained constant. And in that constancy, I found my anchor.
Yung ma-in-love ka sa tao, it's something na parang common sa tao. It's a norm. Pero yung ma-fall in love ka ng paulit-ulit araw-araw, parang iba na yun yung feeling na yun. Ayun yung nakita ko sa kanya.
You know, trials and challenges, lagi namang meron. Hindi yan nawawala. But do not fear because God is with you. And also, that's the best time for you to prove how much you love each other. And that each other is your strength and happiness kasama ng mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Panginoong Diyos.
You are my forever and I will spend the rest of my life showing you just how much you mean to me. Mahal na mahal kita.
I am forever grateful that God brought you into my life, and with all my heart I choose you again and again for all the days to come.